arbitrationagreements.org. Have you ever wondered how some separated or divorced parents manage to provide a stable environment for their children? A key strategy they use is known as a nesting agreement. But what exactly is a nesting agreement and how does it work? Before we answer these important questions, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you keep costs low when a wide variety of problems occur. A nesting agreement, sometimes referred to as bird's nest parenting, is an arrangement where the children remain in the family home, while the parents take turns living with them. The goal of a nesting agreement is to provide a more stable environment for children during the transition period of a divorce or separation. Instead of the children shuffling between two households, the parents alternate their time in the family home. When it's not their turn, the parents live elsewhere, which could be a separate residence or a shared space depending on the arrangement. This form of co-parenting is gaining recognition for its child-centered approach. According to a 2018 study published in the Journal of Child and Family Studies, children in shared physical custody arrangements exhibit fewer psychological symptoms than those in sole custody. Despite its benefits, a nesting agreement does require a high degree of cooperation and communication between parents. It's crucial to establish clear guidelines about responsibilities, schedules, and boundaries to avoid conflicts. Interestingly, a recent survey found that nesting is a growing trend among families, with 22% of respondents reporting an increase in these arrangements. This suggests that despite its challenges, more parents are considering this option to prioritize the well-being of their children. Nesting agreements may not be the perfect solution for all families going through a separation or divorce, but they are certainly a viable option for those able to maintain a collaborative parenting relationship. By providing a stable environment for children, they can ease the transition process and potentially improve the long-term outcomes for everyone involved. If you want to learn more information about nesting agreements and cost-effective divorce-related solutions, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle many different issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people and families use our services to handle legal issues in a controlled fashion through a cost-effective manner that focuses on privacy. Also, what do you think about nesting agreements? Does it make sense to you why their popularity is growing? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about the law that can help you succeed.